Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe.
So guys, I came over to my friend's house, so she's going to help me out with the wig hat. Her name is Cynthia, but she can introduce herself to you guys.
Yeah, hello guys, my name is Cynthia. I do wig, my hair, I sell hair too. So you can follow me up in my Instagram page, Clear Hair Branch. Thank you.
So into the video. So we'll be needing glue, as you can see, and a hair extension, scissors, and a hat. So let's go into the video.
You're only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.